everyone in the cold email echo chamber will tell you images hurt deliverability. Let's be free thinkers and not do what everyone else is doing, because today I'm going to show you how, if you do it right, images can actually help your deliverability. Let's roll. Hi, I'm Sam from GMass. If you don't know GMass, we are the OGs of cold email software. So why does the Hive say that having images in an email hurt its deliverability? Well, the theory goes that having links in your cold emails can affect deliverability. I don't know that I always agree with that, but for the sake of this argument, let's stipulate to that being true. The way you include images in an email with pretty much every other sending platform is by linking to those images on an external platform. For example, here's an email someone sent to me from Constant Contact. You can see this image is located on an external server, and that would be true for pretty much anyone. MailChimp, Instantly, Klaviyo, HubSpot, whoever it is, they're all linking to images on an external server. That adds a link to the email, or multiple links for multiple images. And as the prevailing wisdom goes, links are bad for deliverability. Now, let's contrast that with how you'd send an image if you were sending one message to one person in Gmail. You wouldn't link to that image on an external server. You'd upload it, and then it would be in your message. As you can see here, Google is using an internal link format. So this image isn't coming from some mysterious third-party server, it's embedded. And Google really likes that, because it's a sign that you're sending a one-on-one message, not spam, not a mass email, using their native tools. And that email is probably going to wind up in the inbox, which to me sounds like a deliverability boost. So how do we apply this at scale? Well, GMass is one of the only tools that allows for image embedding, and I'm pretty sure we're actually the only tool that's really recognized the value of image embedding. Because GMass is a Chrome extension that works inside Gmail, you can actually use Gmail's native tools when you're composing your emails. And one of those native tools, of course, is image embedding. So when I put together this cold email and put this image of myself in the signature, that image is embedded. Now, when I send my campaign through GMass, that embedded image is working at scale, just like it worked in our one-on-one message. And quite possibly, it's giving me a deliverability boost. Or, at the worst, it's probably a deliverability break-even. But still, I get a boost from that image because having an image of myself adds credibility and makes people more likely to reply to my message. Plus, I can pair this with some of GMass's other tools that simulate sending one-on-one messages, like Spintax and throttling. And now, to Google, it really is like we're sending one-on-one individual messages. Embedded images are just one of GMass's many unique deliverability tools designed to keep you out of the spam folder and help get you to the inbox. Want to see more? Check out the link in the description. You can try out GMass for free today, and subscribe to this channel to get more tips to help separate you from everyone else in the echo chamber and help you send emails that actually get delivered and get results.